Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Vivo model and Android/Origin OS version so you know which menu labels to follow. Once done, open Settings and go straight to Wallpaper or Display. Make sure your live wallpaper file is in Gallery. Tap Wallpaper now. Do not browse home screen shortcuts. You want the system picker to recognize motion wallpapers. If battery saver blocks animation, disable it briefly. This ensures the preview. You now pick the media in Gallery and tap the three-dot menu or Set as option. Choose Live Wallpaper if visible. If the phone requires a converted format, use Vivo's Convert to Live Wallpaper tool in the picker or a small converter app. This preserves loop and size. Trim to a short loop, around 5 to 15 seconds, so it won't use excess battery. Make sure you match your screen resolution. Doing so prevents stretching and keeps motion smooth once applied. Finish by tapping Apply and choose whether to set the live wallpaper to Home, Lock, or both. After applying, check the home screen. If it doesn't animate, make sure battery saver is off and grant gallery or wallpaper permissions in Settings. If the animation still fails, restart the launcher or reboot the phone, then reapply the wallpaper. If conversion produced audio or wrong loop, reconvert with trimming. This single restart usually resolves permission or cache issues, restoring motion immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.